Hi my friends, I am here today to talk with you about a brand new product that is available to the wig community. It is called a HELPER hair box, and I have one right here. This was developed by Pretty Wigs to You. Our wig sister Heather Scott is the owner of Pretty Wigs to You, and she came up with this box. So in this video today, I want to talk with you about the HELPER hair box, how it came to be, how you can get one, and what I got inside my first one. So let's get started. So the HELPER hair box is a concept that Heather came up with as a way to help support the wig wearing community, specifically, to give back to those with alopecia. So Heather she developed alopecia in her youth. So when she was a child, she lost all of her hair, and so she suffered from this for nearly her entire life. And she really is passionate about helping others with this experience, and really passionate about helping children with hair loss because she experienced it firsthand. So over the past few years, she's been developing this concept of a HELPER hair box, and we all have heard of these different monthly subscription boxes that are out there. There's so many now. And so this really is in line with kind of what's trending anyway right now. But her concept is just a little bit different because with every 6 boxes that are purchased, a box is donated to a child with alopecia. And for every 12 boxes that are purchased, a wig is donated to a child with alopecia. So there's really an added sort of altruistic benefit and goal to this project for her. It's really a passion project. And I will link in the description box her website, how you can get a HELPER hair box, how you can donate a HELPER hair box if you'd like to donate to a child with alopecia, and just how you can find out a little bit more about Heather. She has a wig retail business in Canada. She provides in-person consultations, virtual consultations. You can purchase wigs off of her website. Right now, she exclusively sells John Renault wigs. So she really is someone who kind of provides full service to those of us in the wig wearing community. And she does ship to the United States. I'm not sure about other countries, but I know you can purchase from her website here in the US. And she has deals sometimes. So it's just another resource for you guys. So let's dig into this HELPER hair box. So when you get your HELPER hair box, there are 2 different boxes, and I will tell you, I purchased this. She did not give this to me. I actually was part of her Kickstarter campaign, which she ran to try to fund this project. And so I was a Kickstarter supporter. And my support through Kickstarter, for those of you who aren't familiar, Kickstarter is a platform where if you want to launch a business, you could try to raise money through there's lots of ways to do it. Kickstarter is one of them. And so you could have, in the campaign, I had the option of donating a little bit of money, purchasing a box, purchasing a year's worth of subscription boxes. These are quarterly boxes, I believe. They come out 4 times a year. And that's the one that I chose because I really, really believe in helping others. And I just had to support a business and a concept that helps our wig wearing community. I may not have full hair loss with my alopecia, but I know what it's like to suffer from hair loss and to be really, really impacted by that. So I did opt for the one where I would get a box a quarter. And so this is my first one. I'll get another one in, next quarter, and so on and so forth. So the boxes look different if they come to an adult versus a child. So the child box is actually a coloring box. So there's the ability for a child to decorate their box as well, which is really cool. And so she's got, her social information on here as well, so you can follow her on Instagram. I just connected with her because of the wig wearing community, quite frankly. She did send me, I did a review of, now I'm gonna blank on it. It's the sweat wicking caps, that you can put inside a hat or inside a wig to help when you're really hot and sweaty. So I did review that, and she actually sent me 2 of those to review. So that was fun, but she did not sponsor this video at all. So let's get into this box. So when you first open it up, this is what you'll see. I actually haven't, I glanced at it, but I didn't pull all of the items out. So this is what you'll see. As you can see, I actually got HELPER hair in this box. Which is super, super exciting. But every box is gonna be a little bit different. You do answer a questionnaire before you, so if you're going to subscribe, you're going to get a questionnaire, and it's going to ask you questions about kind of you, so that the box can somewhat be customized to you. So for example, if I recall, one of the questions I was asked me, do I wear blondes? Am I a brunette? Kind of talking a little bit about what color, because she did say that sometimes helper hair will be included. And so you have the ability to kind of say if you'd prefer brunettes or blondes, which is awesome. And then there were a whole lot of questions in that. And so keep that in mind, that there could be some customization to these boxes. And so I saw my friend Kim Stam has a YouTube channel. She's on very active on Instagram. She actually did a review for Heather of these boxes. And so Kim had shown her box, and a lot of what had come in Kim's box is in my box. Maybe even it's all the same. I'm not really sure. So, they're not going to each be 100% unique, but you may get some unique items depending on your questionnaire. So this is a John Renault Hat Magic, and it doesn't say that anywhere here, but I know that that's what this is because I've seen them before. Hat Magic actually comes in a long version as well. I had one at one point. This is more of a bob version. That's super fun. And this is in the color 633. So I got myself, basically it's a hat hair, and I can wear it with a hat, with a bandana. There's lots of things you can do with these Hat Magics. So this is awesome. I got, let's see what else I have. A pair of sunglasses. So she sent a pair of sunglasses in. This is the summer box. I do think these boxes may be themed. So, if I get one in the winter, it's probably going to have some kind of winter items. I don't think it's guaranteed that you will always get helper hair in them. So don't, think that, oh my gosh, I'm going to do this, then I'm always going to get some sort of a wig. That's not necessarily what happens. This is a hat. I saw Kim model this one, and I was really curious about it. So, and I actually think I saw Heather do a video of these as well. So these are like sun visors, and they have Velcro on them. Let me just see how this works. Yeah, and I'm gonna be really clumsy with this, you guys. I'm sorry, I just, for 5 seconds, you couldn't even see me because I was messing with this. So I'm not doing this right. It's a sun visor. And you do the Velcro, and then it can kind of block the sun. What's super fun about this, once I figure out how to put it on, is the fact that it wraps around your head so that you don't have to put it on a wig. So depending on your hair loss, what you want to wear this with, the thickness of the wig, these can be awesome. I've actually really wanted to try those. I've seen them a few times shown by wig wearers. Let's see, what else? We've got a cute little tote bag. You can tote your wigs in here. It says Sun, Sand, Book in Hand. Little beach bag. Who can't use more cute little bags? Honestly, that's awesome. Ooh, fun. There's some earrings in here. So let's take a look at these earrings. These are really, really fun. This is going to help me get out of my comfort zone, you guys. So sometimes these subscription boxes can do a lot for us. So let me take out one of my earrings. I can show you. So this is, I don't usually wear novelty earrings. I'm kind of a traditionalist, but just because I wouldn't buy it for myself doesn't mean that I can't get out of my comfort zone. Oh, those are really adorable. So a set of earrings. How fun is that? All right, I'm gonna wear one earring and just move on. A little scrunchie, so you can use it to put your hair in a pony. I didn't even tell you what I was wearing. So I have on Mellow by Estetica. I have a review of Mellow. This is in the color RH1226. I showed this one in my 4-color comparison for Estetica wigs in the 1226 line. And so check out that video if you haven't seen it. I love Mellow. I wear her a lot. A little business card of Heather's, so you can see who she is. Oh, vinyl nail wraps. Well, and the file just fell out. that's cool. I've never tried these before. I have friends who use the Color Street nails, and they've been asking me to try them, and I just haven't. I have terrible, terrible nails. You'll see in my earlier videos, I always got my nails done. I had gel nails, and with COVID, and I couldn't get my nails done, they ended up having to, you know, fall off. And I've just determined I'm not gonna go back to getting them redone for now. I'm just gonna go natural and see what happens. So maybe I can make my nails look a little bit better with these cute, so they're like nail polish but they're stickers. Ooh, tattoo eyebrows. There's 10 tattoo eyebrows on here. This probably wouldn't be something I would use just because I do have eyebrows. I do fill them in with actually root powder. I use my Joan Rivers root powder to fill in my eyebrows. But I bet I could find someone to send these to who doesn't have eyebrows. So that'd be awesome for someone with total hair loss. And then we've got facial cleansing wipes. Always welcome. Can always use these. And, ooh, this is a necklace. Let me pull this necklace out. Oh, so cool. So this is a really pretty necklace. And that's the box. How fun. So once a quarter, I will be getting a box like this with some fun items that I can try. Who knows what it'll contain in the future. You know, this is the very first one ever. And so I bet she'll, you know, she's got to source these items. And so I bet as time goes on and as she gets feedback, you know, the items will change, and how fun. So I just wanted to show this to you guys as something, if you're looking to support a small business, if you are a fan of these subscription boxes, how fun to try one that's kind of geared toward those of us in the hair loss community. Although, I mean, obviously there's jewelry in here and there's other things in here. It's not all just hair loss type items or wig wearing type items. And another opportunity to check out another wig sister in business. So please check out Pretty Wigs to You and see if that might be another place you can put in your list of trustworthy retailers that can help you get helper hair. And so that's all. That's all I've got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have questions. Next month, or I guess in a few months, when I get my second box, I'll absolutely share that with you. And this was really fun. Thank you, Heather, for doing this. And more importantly, thank you for looking for opportunities to serve the hair loss community, especially our youth. You know, it's hard enough. I started losing my hair in my 20s. I can't even imagine if I would have been a child or a teenager, even worse. To lose your hair in kind of the worst prime time when our self-image is really being developed and when our peers can not be very nice. So that's awesome of you to do that, Heather, and I'm super happy to support you. Take care, you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.